Redefining the future of automotive industries. Issues faced by automotive industries: complex design and labor cost, inventory management and maintenance cost. The advantages of 3D printing in automotive industries: can create custom low-volume parts, reduce the cost burden of physical inventory, reduces unsold finished goods, saves labor cost and time. Mass production of metal parts is possible. Easy print from alloys. Helps in rapid prototyping. Innovate 3D, making industrial operations efficient and digitally flexible.